Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are having a healthy fridge restock. So we have the organizers. We are putting in the strawberry, some fruit, different types of fruit there. We have the grapes, chopped mangoes. We are organizing it in the fridge. We have the juice, the sauces. Yeah, you have to put the sauces in the fridge for those who like it. Vegetables, the hoho or capsicum, the red and yellow ones. Vegetables, this will help to cook vegetable rice. We have the eggs. There are some who put eggs on the fridge and some don't like, so it's good to put in the fridge. We have the cheese. We put it in the fridge. We have different types of cheese, some fruits there, the oranges, lemon, apple, vegetables. We are having so many vegetables there. Some ice cream, some yogurt.